Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smartwatch. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of Apple Watch and exploring the process of adding and installing apps on this powerful wearable. Whether you're a seasoned Apple Watch user or a newcomer, this guide will walk you through the steps to enhance your experience. So, let's get started. Section 1. Checking compatibility. Before we jump into the installation process, it's crucial to ensure that your Apple Watch is compatible with the apps you want to install. Keep in mind that not all iPhone apps have a corresponding Apple Watch app. Check the App Store on your iPhone to confirm compatibility. Section 2. Using the App Store on iPhone. To begin, open the App Store on your iPhone. Look for the Watch tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find a curated selection of apps specifically designed for your Apple Watch. Explore the options and choose an app that piques your interest. Section 3. Installing apps on Apple Watch. Once you've found an app you'd like to install, tap on it. You'll see an option to Get or Cloud icon if you've downloaded it before. Tap Get to start the installation process. The app will automatically install on your Apple Watch if it has a corresponding watch app. Section 4. Organizing apps on Apple Watch. Now that you've installed some apps, let's talk about organizing them on your Apple Watch. Press the digital crown to access the app grid, and then touch and hold an app icon until they start jiggling. Now, you can rearrange the apps or create custom app layouts to suit your preferences. Section 5. Removing apps. If you ever want to remove an app from your Apple Watch, it's a straightforward process. On the app grid, again touch and hold the app icon until they start jiggling. Look for the X icon, tap it, and confirm the deletion. The app will be removed from your Apple Watch but will remain on your iPhone. Conclusion. And there you have it. Adding and installing apps on your Apple Watch is a breeze. Whether you're customizing your watch face or optimizing your fitness routine, the right apps can make a world of difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Apple-related content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.